Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to be analyzing the EURUSD. As you can see, this is EURUSD on the monthly time frame. I want to start from this time frame because so that we can have an overall idea of what is happening on EURUSD. So as you can see, I've already looked at the EURUSD and we're having a bearish market. As you can see, we're having a bearish market. So it means overall for EURUSD is bearish. And using ICT concepts, I marked all the fair value gaps I'm going to be looking at, where price is likely to retrace down to fill. So we have a lot of fair value gaps, as you can see. But since we are looking at a bearish market, my major concern is this value on the monthly time frame. So until price gets to this point right here, I'll keep on assuming that we're going to have a bearish pattern. So that being said, I'm going to quickly switch to the daily time frame so that we can be able to find at least our current high and our current low. So now this is the daily time frame, as you can see, and I'm going to zoom the chart a little bit. Yes, perfect. So on the daily time frame, we've been having this kind of move on the daily time frame. We have our current swing high, then price came all the way down to this point, then went up, came down, went up, came all the way down to this point, then price fell all the way down to this level right here, then price went up again, then price went all the way down to this point right here, then price went up, then price came all the way down here. So it means currently, looking at daily time frame, this is the current high and this is the current low. So I'm going to now switch to the H4 time frame so that we can have a more wider view of what is happening here. But before then, I want us to note these gaps that we have right here, right here, and right here. By the time I switch to the smaller time frame, you see this one we have a fair value gap here, and also at this level and at this level. So now this is the H4 time frame, and this is the current high from the daily time frame and the current low from the daily time frame. So as you can see, price pulled up here, then came down, went up, then this was the point price broke this level right here. Let's push price all the way down to this point, and price tried to retest the level. As you can see, then price went all the way down to this current low. So with this information, I'm going to try to emphasize on what we're going to expect on EURUSD this week. So for EURUSD, any possible upside on EURUSD is likely to be restricted by this level right here. It's our fair value gap here. Also have another one here. Also have another one here. And as you can see, this is the reason why I drew a fair value gap right here, because on the 4-hour time frame, as you can see, this is a gap. So that is why I draw it. So it means if price can take care of this level and this level, this should be the last run for the bulls, and yes, likely to push price all the way down. So I'm going to quickly switch to the H1 time frame so that we can also see what is happening. So now this is the second fair value gap, and then quickly switch to the H4 time frame back so that you guys can see what is a fair value gap. Yeah, talk about this level right here. So coming now to the H1 time frame, this is the fair value gap right here, and if you look at this very well, you can see that this gap happens to be right above this level. Now this level we are seeing right here is the current high from the daily time frame. So it means any possible upside from the daily time frame is likely to be restricted by this fair value gap and also this current high, as you can see. So it means if you are looking for buy setup, you must be careful of this level right here. You have to be very careful. But since overall is bearish, I would advise sellers to wait for price to probably get to this level right here, or price to get to this level. And I'm going to explain why I drew a fair value gap right here. So by the time you come to this is where I drew the fair value gap. This is where I drew the fair value gap from the 1 hour time frame. So now by the time price gets to this point, we might see a retracement. Now let me try and tell you guys what you're going to do when price gets to this level. What you're going to do if price is likely to retrace right from this fair value gap. You're going to wait patiently. When price is at this level right here, you can switch to your M5 time frame. So the moment you see price at somewhere around here, you have to look for a change of character. That is, maybe price from a pattern like up, then come all the way down to break the previous low. So something like let me quickly show you guys so you can understand better what I'm talking about. So let me try and explain to you guys what I mean by change of character. So when price gets to this level right here, you want to see something like this, price to enter the fair value gap, something like this. Then you want to see price come all the way down to break it. So the moment price break this previous low from the 5 minutes time frame, that will be your perfect entry point for you to join it. Yes, perfect. So the moment price break below this low, that will be your entry point. Or you can wait for price to probably pull back up. So maybe a potential fair value gap are going to have somewhere around here. So that might be your sell stop limit. Your sell limit. So it means when price gets to the sell limit, we are likely to expect a continuation to the downside. So that being said, that will be all for my analysis on EURUSD. If you do enjoy, please hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Peace.